Good day to all of you. My name is Carlos Miguel Kanahashi of Philippine Real Estate Laws. I hope you guys are safe and healthy so far. And this is the video on my lead magnet of Philippine Real Estate Laws. The laws involved are: first is RESA law. If you want to be a real estate professional, then you need to uh, comply with the rules of the RESA law. Penalty for the violation of any provision of the RESA law, including Section 29, the penalty is 100,000 pesos and or 2 years imprisonment. In case if the offender is unlicensed, then the penalty is 200,000 pesos and 4 years imprisonment. If you want to pay or installments, this is what we call as Maceda Law. This law was signed under the leadership of former President Ferdinand Marcos. And the buyer should have the right to sell his rights or assign the same to another person. Reinstate the contract by updating the account during the grace period. PD 957 is about the regulation of the sale of subdivision lots and condominiums. So there are ways to do this in a legal matter. This will lead to the payment of realty tax, to be issued a land title from the Registry of Deeds. Who are the real estate practitioners? How can they practice this in a legal manner? We have real estate consultants, appraisers, brokers, assessors, and salesperson. For the Low Cost Housing Act, the Philippine government should have a program on urban land reform. An example of this is the village in Valenzuela City, which is a joint between the Valenzuela City government and the National Housing Authority of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development. Free patent means any Filipino citizen is allowed for free patent, provided that the land should not exceed 200 square meters in highly urbanized cities. It should not exceed 500 square meters in other cities. For first and second class municipalities, 750 square meters. Other municipalities, it should not exceed 1,000 square meters. BE 220 is about the promulgation of the different levels of standards for economic and socialized housing. So in this case, development of economic and socialized housing projects should be in accordance with the minimum design standards. We also have other laws that we should abide with. We have the PD 1216, wherein you need open space in residential areas. And the 9% of gross area for social housing, 7% of gross area for medium density or economic housing, 3.5% of gross area for open market. For the real estate service practitioners, we have the Code of Ethics. So according to this, it says, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. It should be done to observe the dealings and relation of the practitioners with clients, practitioners, to the public, and to the organizations with which will belong. Failure for the violation of any provisions of the Code of Ethics and RESA law should have the different sanctions. For the Code of Ethics, first offense is warning. Second offense is a 2-month suspension of a membership in any APO organization. Third offense is the 4-month suspension of APO membership. Fourth offense is the recommendation of the suspension of license at the PREBRES and the PRC. And the fifth offense is the cancellation of license at the PEBRES, PREB-RES and the PRC. Violation of RESA law. First offense is 4-month suspension of APO membership. Second offense is the suspension of license at the PREB-RES and the PRC. And third offense is the cancellation of license by the PREB-RES and the PRC. Lastly, we have the amendments of the Urban Development and Housing Act. NHA, with respect to the lands belonging to the Philippine government and the LGUs, shall coordinate with each other and to formulate and make available various alternative schemes for the disposition of lands to the beneficiaries of the program. Schemes shall not be limited to the involving transfer of ownership in fee simple but shall include the lease with our option to purchase, usufruct, or such other variations as LGUs or NHA. And that is all I will say for this video for the lead magnet. And I am Carlos Miguel Anahashi of Philippine Real Estate Laws. Thank you, good day, be safe, and may the Almighty God bless us all. Pagpalain nawa tayo ng poong may kapal.